Alex was just waiting outside a coffee shop in Austin when he overheard two girls talking. "I made like $120 from Pinterest last week." He looked up. Pinterest? The app he thought was just for recipes and room ideas? He pulled out his phone immediately, but by the time he searched, they were gone. He glanced at the empty chairs, feeling like he had just missed something important. Lately, that feeling had become familiar. It wasn't that Alex wasn't trying. He had tried dropshipping, freelancing, content creation, each one starting with excitement and ending in quiet disappointment. Every time he told himself maybe he just hadn't found the right thing yet. But deep down, he feared he was simply falling behind. That night, Alex went down a rabbit hole. No laptop, no experience, just his phone. He searched Pinterest, scrolling through pins, blogs, and short videos explaining how people attached affiliate links and let traffic do the rest. It sounded too quiet compared to everything else. No loud marketing, no chasing clients, just posting and waiting. He created his first pin, then another, then 5 more. They weren't perfect, but he posted them anyway. Nothing happened. The next morning, he checked. 0 views, 0 clicks. He sighed. It felt familiar, like every other thing he had tried. He almost stopped. But he remembered how often he had quit just before things could change, even if he didn't fully admit it. So he created one more pin, simple and clean, then closed the app. 3 days later, a random email showed up. "You earned a commission." Alex frowned. He hadn't done anything new. He opened it slowly. A small amount, but real. What confused him most wasn't the money. It was that he didn't even remember which pin made it. He rushed to check. One of his pins was suddenly getting hundreds of saves from a post he almost deleted. Alex leaned back, quietly surprised. It wasn't loud success. It wasn't overnight, but it was movement. For the first time in a while, he felt something shift. Maybe the quiet methods didn't look exciting, but sometimes they were easier to stay consistent with. And consistency, he realized, might have been what he had been missing all along. Most people don't fail because they picked the wrong method. They fail because they quit before the quiet methods start working. You've probably tried things that didn't work at first, just like Alex. You've probably wondered if you're just wasting your time. But sometimes you're closer than you think, and the quiet progress has already started. Keep pushing. The version of you that almost quits is often the one closest to breakthrough.